All the dinghy is secured, but checking me, the shocking weight. The water floods over on the platform at the back. Okay, we anchored with 70 meters of trim in the water. The depth is about 22. And there's a house we visited a few years back. Hopefully we can visit her again. This is a long like we didn't expect it. So 1 day, 1 night and another half day. Everybody tired. There's a big fishing boat also come into this bay. To anchor here to search some shelters. We had this iridium bow device, and the trip down here is not really promising. Although here shows the full signal, but if you check our download, we try to download even the first only 2.4 KB of the file. It takes more than 10 minutes and does not say anything happened. The weather outside is not good, quite cloudy and raining, but that is the region which we need a new grade file. At the moment, we don't know what's the wind condition from the next 2 days, and that's why we have to stop. We are entering the channel for Caleta, Ithaca.